In this video, I want to talk about some of the pros and cons of what it's like to be a full-time day trader. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Justin Sandy, 27 years old, been trading for 8 years now in the markets, been able to not only make a lot of money myself trading, but also been able to help thousands and thousands of people become full-time independent traders as well. What I like to say are the pros and cons. I'm going to start off with the pros. One of the pros when it comes down to being a full-time trader is the lifestyle that comes with it. I like to think that when you think of a trader, what you think of is 100 screens, monitors, being locked in, glued in. But in reality, it's not really like that. Being a full-time trader means that you're a profitable trader. Being a profitable trader means that you have an opportunity to manage risk. Managing risk really just means that if you can trade $1,000 account, you could trade a $100K account, you could trade $1 million account. Getting access to capital today has never been easier. Whether you're funding it yourself, getting an investor, or even using prop firms, whatever the case may be. I would say in the first thing, the pro would be the lifestyle, because at the end of the day, once you become a profitable trader, anything that you really want or desire is literally on the other side of the next setup. I'm really grateful for being able to live the life I get to live, not even because of the flashiness or, the luxurious goods, but more so just having the time freedom to wake up and do whatever I want to do each and every single day. Not having a commitment to, hey, 9 to 5, you got to be doing this. I think the lifestyle of a trader is amazing. And I'm not talking about the glorified Instagram lifestyle. I'm talking about being able to live life on your own terms and on your own means. But don't get me wrong, the glorification, the Lambos and stuff are cool too. The next thing I would say is the income. You're the master of your own income. Once you have a rule-based strategy, once you have a very disciplined risk management guide, once you have those two things plus capital to trade, I think income-wise, there's no better opportunity than trading. Yeah, being in the NBA is cool, being in the NFL is cool, being in the, I don't know what Major League Soccer is called, but like whatever it's called, being an athlete at the highest level, like a rapper, yeah, those incomes are amazing. But being able to trade at the same level is mind-blowing. Like, it's crazy to be able to wake up or go to bed, play some trades, wake up 15K, up 20K, not exchanging any time or energy for money, but just money for money. I think that trading is one of the most highly profitable and high-paying incomes, jobs, careers in the world. I think another pro of being a full-time trader is you constantly are managing money. You're constantly trading money. So as you're making money, what happens is as you're making money, the universe naturally just expands and flows new opportunities to you. Yeah, I make money full-time trading, but I also own a restaurant, a bar, a club. I got multiple different investment properties. I've been able to expand outside of trading to the point where now I'm making money off of different avenues compared to only the charts. But it started with the charts that gave me other opportunities to start expanding my income. So I think as a full-time trader, just having other opportunities or starting other businesses is a cool pro as well. Another thing I would like to say is a pro about this industry is if you're doing it the right way, you can actually leave an impact. Leaving an impact is more than just selling a course or your signal service or whatever it is. It's about really connecting with one another, connecting with people that want to be on the same level as you, or connecting with people that are on the same journey. I can't tell you enough, if there was someone that I could look up to back in 2016 that had the results I wanted and that was down to talk to me and make an impact on me, I don't know how much further I could have been. And I'm not mad at the fact that didn't happen. It was just a different time. But in today's time, there's so many traders that are making such a big impact on the community. And it's a beautiful thing to see people actually learning, not just learning, but leaving an impact, giving back, like doing stuff just out of the sake of giving value. So I think another pro is just giving value. Now I want to switch over to some of the cons. Now, I know I said pros was lifestyle. I think cons is lifestyle as well. There's a lot of jealousy and envy and hate when it comes down to the world we live in right now. We can all kind of agree that the streets are kind of running dry. What do I mean by that? It means that a lot of people don't make money during times of economic recessions. Like right now, we all see the economy is doing bad here in the USA, but crime is also going up. So, lifestyle is a positive thing, but sometimes it can also be a negative thing. Another con is getting too ahead of your lifestyle. Some of you start making a little bit of money trading, and the first thing you do is you go buy a bust down chain that only is worth 15K, but you paid 58K for. Like, make it make sense. Don't get too caught up in the lifestyle or the glorification lifestyle, what a trader's supposed to look like. As long as you're good, you got peace of mind money, you're set financially to where you can just trade, and if anything goes wrong, you're still good. Like, that's what the lifestyle should really look like. The next thing I would mention in regards to that is just time-wise. Sometimes I want to go out and have fun, but I'm not able to do that because me and my team, we trade the London session. session. You know, there's pros and cons of, you know, both sides of the thing when it comes down to the lifestyle. I'd say the second con I could talk about right now is potentially your discipline level. Being a full-time trader, you have to have a good amount of discipline, because sometimes I don't want to show up because I know I can make money whenever I want. But that's a terrible mindset, because I don't want to miss out on an opportunity to where I can help someone else cash out just because I'm being lazy. You know, sometimes I would say just being disciplined within your trading is going to be key, because sometimes you can get a big head, you can get an ego, you know, you could fall off track of the routine you've built. If becoming a full-time trader took a certain routine, you got to stay to that routine. Above that, I would just simply put and say that con is being disciplined. Sometimes it's hard to be disciplined. Sometimes it's hard to go to the gym and work out. It's the same type of deal. The last thing I would say when it comes down to cons is being a full-time trader, trading heavy lot, you know, going through a losing streak, whatever it may be, adds a certain level of stress into your life. I can't tell you, even with good risk management, even with great trades, not breaking my rules, just following the market for what it is, how many times I've been stressed out that a 5K trade here, or I lost a 10K trade here, or I lost 3% on this one, or I lost on this one. Trading can be something that can be very stressful if you do not have a mechanical and rule-based approach. But when it comes down to the pros and cons of being a full-time trader, I think the pros outweigh all the cons drastically. I think that this industry is one of the most beautiful industries, because it's not you versus the next person. It's not you versus a boss. It's not you versus another business. It's just you versus you. So once you've mastered yourself and you've gotten your own disciplines and you know you, doing this is easy. This is technical. It's 90% on it's not, people say it's 90-10, 90% technical, 10% mental, but to be honest, it's the other way around. Being technical on the charts is 10% of it. The 90% is what happens in here. So you have to get in tune. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and join our Discord channel for our free weekly sessions. Hope you guys like this video of going over the pros and cons of what it's like to be a full-time trader.